Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing the Huckberry, the Apres Sashiko Pant. And this is from Taylor Stitch. Just got this in the mail. I think this color is called, what's this color called? The Apres Pant in Cypress Sashiko. Cypress color. It's like a greenish color. It's really nice. I have unboxed another pair of these on the channel previously. They're really comfortable, so I wanted them in another color. Here's the tag. The Apres Pant in Cypress Sashiko. Size small. For the pants, I'm usually medium, but in these types of pants I have been small. So it's really nice, really comfortable. Cords there. Really nice material, warm for the winter, flexible, and stylish. 2 back pockets, cuffed at the end. Two button back pockets. Let me open this up for you. Then 2 pockets up front. Just a nice touch here on these pockets. And here there is a button over here as well. Zoom in, show you all a little bit more of the detail, texture. Yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think of this pants in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch you all in the next unboxing video. Later.